We'll guide you through how to use the Printify AI Image Generator to create stunning designs effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and look for the AI Image Generator section. You'll find it under the Design Tools menu. Click on it to open the interface here. You'll see an option to start a new project. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter some initial details about what you want to create. This could be a theme or a specific style you're aiming for. Once you've set up your project, you'll see a text box where you can type in keywords or phrases that describe the image you want to generate. The AI will use these to craft a design tailored to your inputs. After entering your keywords, click the Generate button. The AI will take a moment to process and then present you with several design options. You can preview these designs and choose the one you like best. If you're not completely satisfied, you can tweak the keywords or add more details to refine the results. Once you find the perfect design, click on it to open the editor. Here you can make further adjustments such as changing colors, adding text, or layering other design elements. When you're happy with your creation, save it to your library or directly apply it to a product in the Printify catalog. This seamless integration makes it easy to bring your designs to life on various items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and that's it. You're now ready to use the Printify AI Image Generator like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.